In today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new Yeezy 350 Core Black Pack. I'm going to tell you what 3 pairs of Yeezy 350s we are going to be getting. Also, I'm going to tell you when we should be expecting these sneakers as well. My name is James Raw. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. You want to stay up to date on Yeezy news, reviews, and updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much as usual. Now, first of all, let's give a round of applause to Yeezy, everybody. For the last 2 years, Yeezy 350s in particular have been falling off. They really fell out of grace. I remember Yeezys was going for about $500 and $600 on the resale market. But in the last 2 years, I've seen Yeezy sell for about $20 over retail. You guys know about the pairs I'm talking about. But for the last couple of months, man, they have been dropping banger after banger after banger. And we also just got a restock from the Belugas and also for the blue tint Yeezys as well too. Yeezy 350s are definitely back on the map. And I appreciate Yeezy continuously bringing back fan favorites. The first Yeezy 350 V2 we're going to be talking about is called the Dazzling Blue Yeezy 350s. This is actually a new colorway for the popular silhouette. It has a jet black prom knit upper with a royal blue stripe that's going across the side of the sneaker. Not only that, we also have the Supply 350 on the sides of the sneaker as well too. And lastly, it does have an all black Yeezy Boost midsole as well too. Now these kicks right here, we are expecting to see these on February the 26th for $220. I think the sneaker looks so good. This is what made the 350 popular, you know, the flamboyant, you know, shocking colors. You know, for the longest we've been getting earth tone Yeezy 350s. This has been a nice change as far as design and colorway. It is literally like a breath of fresh air. Now, the second core black sneaker that we're going to be talking about is called the Oreo 350s. These actually dropped back in 2016. One of the most popular Yeezy 350s ever. I remember this sneaker was selling for over $1,000, like literally. And if you go on StockX today, this sneaker still is up there. It's around $700, $800. These kicks still have the all black prom knit upper, all black sneaker, but the only difference is it has a white stripe and you still got the beautiful Supply 350 on the side of it as well too. Now these kicks will be the second pair that's going to drop of this pack. These will be releasing in spring 2022. Now lastly, the last sneaker of the pack, we are getting a core black red Yeezy 350 V2. Now these kicks also dropped in 2016, but these sneakers I remember dropping on a Black Friday, and these dropped along with the core black green ones and the core black copper 350s. And these kicks right here are just fire, absolute fire. Still an all black sneaker just like the other 2 pair that we just discussed, but we do have a red stripe that's going along the side of the sneaker with the Supply 350 on the side of it as well too. Now, according to Yeezy Mafia, these sneakers won't be 100% like their predecessors. These will be made with sustainable and renewable materials like ocean plastics, whatever that means. Hoping that means a higher quality. If so, I'm all for that. So make sure you guys keep your eyes open on the core black red Yeezy 350s. They will be releasing in summer 2022. And as I said earlier in the video, these sneakers are expected to be $220 USD. I expect these kicks to be very hard to get, man. We are going to have to be up early with these boys. I'm telling you, it is going to be a crazy release for these sneakers. So that's it for today. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments which pair are you most excited about. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I see you guys when I see you. Peace.